I started off my business in the drop shipping field, so I'm quite familiar with that. I don't do drop shipping right now anymore. I got my own brand, my own skincare line, but I'm not that far removed from drop shipping. I'm quite familiar with that. I've done it for years. So where you can start a drop shipping with only $200. I know a lot of gurus say all this other stuff on all this YouTube or other social medias and all this stuff, right? That makes it more complicated when it comes to drop shipping. I think people think this is a very complicated process. There's all this, I don't know, they make it all complicated, but there's a simple way that you can do drop shipping and not overcomplicated things. You can simply start it with $200, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So don't overcomplicate this whole process. So when it comes to your drop shipping, the first thing that you have to do is to find the product that you want to sell on your drop shipping store, right? So now first way to find something that is already working, that people is already advertising, is to check what's being shown on you on your Facebook, right? When you're scrolling up and down on Facebook, what kind of products have you seen being shown, right? What people are already advertising. Or you can go to TikTok. This is a very easy way to find products on TikTok. If you click on the hashtag TikTok made me buy this, right? You see a lot of products that come out of people talking about all these products, right? Most of those people are dropshippers who are creating all those videos to say, hey, TikTok made me buy these products, right? So to look into that, see which videos has lots of likes and shares and comments and all that, and go through the comments to see what people are saying. And people bought that product, did they like it, and all this stuff, right? This is part of your doing your product research. And then when you see one which is working, where people really like about this product and they're really interested in, then you go to AliExpress to see, can you find that product on AliExpress? And then if you can find it, then you got your supplier, right? So now communicate with that supplier to see if they can be in partnership with you, if they can help you out with that. See how many orders on that supplier have, to make sure that they are, you know, making sales and people are actually buying this product, right? And also where it's shipping from, because there are lots of suppliers on AliExpress who really ship from the States, who have warehouses in the States, and that makes it much easier when it comes to shipping times and all the stuff. You don't have to deal with the long waiting and all the stuff, depending where you're marketing the products to, right? So let's say you're marketing it to the States, you can easily narrow it down, filter it down on AliExpress and check to see if you can find someone with a US warehouse who are shipping it out of US to cut down on that shipping time. And once you find your supplier, now you can go ahead and set up your Shopify store. So when you set up your Shopify store, you can start off with a free trial. They have 14-day free trial, and that makes it much easier for you to try out for 14 days and make sure that this is something that you can actually do, right, which is going to bring you some money. And if it's a winning product that you've chosen, you can actually start making money before you even start paying those monthly fees with Shopify. So the free trial is for 14 days, it's free, and then after that, I think Shopify, they charge $29 or $39 a month. And then use the apps like Obelo to import those products that you found on AliExpress onto your Shopify store. And then make sure you edit out the descriptions to make sure that it talks about the features, benefits of that product that you have, and make sure the images that you're going to be using really represent the product and showcases in a way which looks more professional. If you need to edit it, you can use softwares like Canva to edit your products, to take off the background. I did a video here that you can check on how to edit your pictures on Canva. And then once you have all that, you set up your Shopify store, you get your domain from Shopify or from GoDaddy if you want. You can easily do that for like $10 again. Come up with a very creative name, which is quite general, so that if this product doesn't work, you can always change another product and it's, you know, still makes sense, right? So make sure you choose a name which is not too specific. It's a general name that you can be able to sell anything from that store. So from there, you have set up your store on Shopify. You choose the theme that works with your niche that you are in. Now you can then go and create some creatives of that product that you've chosen, so that you can run ads on Facebook. And then you set up your Facebook ads manager, and then you start creating some ads. Make sure you have your creatives, and this one image, one video, and some couple images for a carousel ad, right? So that's 3 creatives that you have to create so that you'll be able to test it out. Because when it comes to Facebook ads, you're testing out to see which audiences works for you, and then which images resonates more to those audiences as well, right? And then after you have your creators all created, you set up your Facebook ads. You're going to be setting up a conversion ad, because we want to make sure that we go straight to getting purchases in your store. So you set up your conversion ad. You are setting up only 5 ad sets with 3 ads in that, so using those 3 creators that you have chosen. And then the ad sets, you choose any interest, 1 interest per every ad set, and don't overthink it, don't complicate it, because you're testing it. Facebook is the one which is going to tell you what's going to be working, right? So to start off with, pick 5 interests that you might really relate to, those people, your ideal customers that you want to target. And then you run your ads for at least 3 days and to test out to see which creative is gonna work, and then come back, re-evaluate your ads to see which ad is working for you, which one is getting more clicks, which ad is getting you sales, and then from there you can then evaluate the results that you get, turn off the ads that are not working, and scale out the ads that are working for yourself. And then you start making money with your drop shipping. So this is how you can easily start your drop shipping business with $200. So don't overcomplicate the process. This is the whole blueprint. I just given you a simple blueprint that you can follow. And then if you want me to go into details more, let me know in the comments below. Then I'll be able to provide you a more detailed video if there is interest in that. And if you have any questions, let me know, put them down below in the comments as well, because I'm here to help you out, guys, to make your online businesses and make success online. So don't fall for all those complicated processes that people show you. It can be quite simple process, and it doesn't take you that much money, right? So this is how you get started. Then after that, you reinvest the money that you have already been making back into your business to even grow it more. And then the more you're making money, the more you're getting successful, then you try other products and test them out and follow the whole same process again to test them out and get success with that. So I hope this will be useful for you guys. Share with others who might find this video useful as well. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos like this, where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building the business that you love. I will see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.